Have you ever experienced Windows blue screen of death? If you have, you know the heart-bracing, terrifying moment where your screen turns into blue and suddenly your system is a useless machine.
Fuck Microsoft!
Probably you have lost all your data, all your work, all your memories, everything. If you haven't experienced this, believe me when I say that you never want this to happen to you, because once your system get corrupted and you see a blue screen of death, it means literary death. There is no way back. It could even damage your hardware. In this video, I am going to explain to you the disaster, the danger, and how to avoid it, what the billion-dollar industries do about it. I am also going to reveal about a crazy product I made, help you to save your system. Without further ado, let's get started. If you haven't seen my short video, you should know that I have recently created a Windows system protection tool that will help you to maintain your system health over time to avoid these kind of issues. By using that, you can be rest assured that your system is at least 90% safe. All the YouTubers are saying to use SFC run scan now or reinstall Windows or replace your hard drive once your system get corrupted, but that's not a sensible answer, because most of the time when you run a SFC scan now on a dead computer, it's just like healing a dead body. It just don't work. Replacing a hard drive or reinstalling Windows is a trouble, and nobody wants to lose their data. If you just want to know about our tool, click the link in the description and you can download it for just $1. And if you are so generous, donating more on this product so we can continue this project and create more and more tools to help you protect your Windows system, because Windows 7 was a great, reliable, secure OS, but when it comes to Windows 10, it wasn't. And believe me when I say this, Windows 11 is just a piece of crap. If you just want to download the software, you can skip the video and download it now. But if you want to stay with us for the end of this video, it will be very helpful for you. Let me explain to you what could potentially happen to your PC and damage it altogether. When you first install Windows, it creates a cached Windows directory inside your system, and it also has your online Windows system on your computer. Whenever you update your Windows system or install a new software or update a software, your Windows system get updated or your files get updated. If one of those updates has a issue, even if it's only regarding to your computer or the specific hardware manufacturer, it could lead to some serious issues, because a single DLL file can destroy your entire system. What can potentially happen when a corrupted file is in your system? It will start to destroy your system a piece by piece, a piece at a time. When your system has a corrupted file and you try to run the program that need that files, the program fails, which creates more and more files, or it will try to recreate some files, it will try to read the hard drive so fast again and again to find the right file, but eventually this will cause other files to get damaged. One single damaged file can cause this entire system to damage a lot of files altogether, or sometimes a single update can destroy your entire system 32 directory or your entire Windows directory. What can we do to protect ourselves from these things? There are two main things we can do. Actually, there are three things. Let me break it down for you. Creating restore points, creating backups and creating a Windows system image. I told you there are two options because both the second and third look similar and familiar. Actually, the both of them look the exact same, but there are few differences. Let me break down one by one to you. Creating a restore point. A restore point is a shadow copy of your Windows in a timeline. And when you do changes to your system after that restore point, the restore point recognizes those changes as new changes, and whenever you feel that you don't want that change to be in your system or it get corrupted, you can just go back in time. Creating backups is a complicated task. In a backup, it simply copies all of your system or all of your personal files into another location. It could be a hard drive or a remote location. And the third thing, creating a system image, was introduced in Windows 7 and is hidden in Windows 10 and 11. You can recover your system when it gets corrupted in the future. Let me break down it for you. What really happens is when you create a system image, it will copy all of your files, including the system, to a location you select. It could be a remote location, a hard drive, or anything in your system, a pen drive, anything. It will take as much as size as your system directory or the directories you select to copy. Once your system get corrupted, you just have to insert a Windows recovery media drive and go to the recovery environment, and there will be a place for you to recover your system with the system image, and you can select your system image and boom. What do large scale companies or enterprises do to protect their data? They use series of softwares, hardwares, and even remote hardware to protect their systems and their data. And there's a saying in computer world that if you want really to be protected, you need to have 3 copies of your data. The original copy, a copy in your site but in another physical device, and the third is in a remote location or off the site. If your physical drive fails, you have another physical copy of that data. And even if your site get burned or your site get destroyed by a hurricane or anything like that happens, you have another copy in another continent or in another country. That's the basic thing they do. They create backups in different locations, and they have enterprise grade softwares and hardwares for these things. Petabyte of storage, softwares that cost thousands of dollars to make or buy. Simply you can't afford these things. That is why you need something new, something innovative, something simple to protect your system. Let's talk about what our tool does. It basically uses Windows default or Windows hidden features to protect your system files from getting corrupted or replacing the corrupted files in your system. Checks for your system health, your system cached Windows directory, and if it's not up to date or it's corrupted, it will restore that health using online resources, and then it will check for your system directories for any corrupted files, and if there are any corrupted files, it will automatically replace all of those things, and it will automatically create restore points for you. With our tool, it's all streamlined. You just have to press it and select yes, 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 run all of these tools, and you can even schedule it in a daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. What are the other things that you can do to protect your system? If you have your personal projects, files, or important data, I recommend using a NAS, a network attached storage, that will help you to simultaneously sync all your files across all your devices, mobile phones, computers, laptops, everything. And it will also keep your data safe with RAID 5, RAID 10 or RAID 1 configurations. Most of the NASs in today's world has blazing fast speeds and even AI capabilities within them. So you can easily find your files, images, videos, memories, and create backups of your important file. You can just copy your important file from your system to another physical drive or another location. Let's say you are a software developer, you could just use GitHub to manage your states of your projects, as well as keep your files safe inside cloud storages. There's the third thing: you definitely need to create a Windows image. Once you install Windows and install your necessary softwares and your system is running smoothly, you need to create a Windows image. That will help you a lot in the future. And when you use our tool in the fourth place, it will also help you to prevent all of these issues. By replacing corrupted Windows files, it reduces the risk of seeing a blue screen of death. And with that, I think we can conclude this video for today. Subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and please donate us with your hard-earned money so we can continue these projects, because I am planning to create a tool that will help you to recover your Windows system once it gets corrupted. It will be a great tool, and I am working on it, and I need money to spend on it, at least 10 bucks, 20 bucks. You could donate for me, or if you just want the tool, you could buy it for $1. In the description below there's a link, click it, buy, boom, your system is protected. And there will be a short video explaining how to use the tool. So in this video we just talked about how our computer system works, get corrupted, and how to prevent these things, how enterprises or large scale companies do these things, and what our tool does, and how to prevent this from happening to you. Thank you again for watching our video. Stay tuned for more. So again, I'll say follow us, subscribe to us, and see you soon.